In this series, we'll discuss some of the major events that have been discussed in Down to Earth, the edition from 16th to 30th of April. Now, the very first thing that we would like to discuss here is energy during the wartime. So, it's not just India, but globally, nations have been facing issues with energy security, and as a result, they have been constantly moving towards renewable share or renewable energy. So, 50% of the renewable share of the global powerhouse has been seen by 2025, and it is close to 50% of the world's installed energy generation capacity as per the arena reports. Now, some of the interesting facts is the Strait of Hormuz closure has affected nearly 20% of the gas and oil flow. There are 85% new power additions in 2025 alone that have been seen, mainly for solar and renewable energy. LPG shortages have been hitting worldwide, not just India, but other low income nations are also worst hit by LPG shortage. Energy security and not just climate change related insecurities have become one of the major concerns. Now, there are nations which have been doing exceptionally well. For example, Namibia and Togo have been working with solar power. Nepal and Sri Lanka have been working with electric vehicles. Nearly 70% of new vehicles in the region are electric vehicles. So, there are other alternate ways of energy that have to be adopted, and that is the only way to mitigate the rising energy crisis and lower down the prices. We will be focusing on energy insecurity in India in the next session, and of course, we'll continue the series of Down to Earth. So, stay tuned.